Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Quein with Uncle Woo. Hope you guys have all been doing your best to stay safe and getting to spend at least a little bit more time than usual grilling, smoking, cooking, nothing else, just exploring your creative abilities when it comes to the food you're eating and what you're feeding your families. Today, we're coming to you from our outdoor kitchen. Finally, we've been experiencing a little bit of a cold snap here in Memphis, but today we got a little warm up. So we're going to take this opportunity to show you all what we like to do with some of our leftover smoked meats. This time, our meat of choice is what's left of a delicious chuck roast that we smoked for dinner last night. My wife likes to call it poor man's brisket. So now, one of my favorite appetizers is a Southwest egg roll. So today, beef egg rolls is what's on the menu. Now of course, you can make an egg roll with pork, chicken, or beef, but today, we're going to crank out a Tex-Mex favorite, making our beef egg rolls with fire-roasted corn, seasoned black beans, and some diced up tomatoes and chilies. This is basically a very similar egg roll to the one we make as a beef ancillary turn in a lot of our barbecue competitions. It's brought us home trophies several times, including the year we won the mystery meat category at the MBN Invitational, using beef short ribs and shredded radishes to build an incredible egg roll that brought home the money. So, to get started, I've already done a rough chop on this chuck roast. If you have one that you've cooked down enough to shred, shredded beef works great in this egg roll, especially shredded brisket meat. But since chuck roast is what we got, we're gonna get ready to go with it. So to start off, we're gonna put down a nice layer of beef right across the center line of our egg roll wrapper. We're also gonna take our fire roasted corn, our seasoned black beans, and our diced tomatoes and chilies and mix those all together. Moving forward, this will be the filling that we use on top of our beef. So that's about the right amount for our egg roll. You don't want to fill it too tight, because if you do, when you roll it up, you risk busting the wrapper. When you bust the wrapper, when you put it in the fryer, it fills up with oil, and that's just no good for anybody. So now, we're going to take a little scrambled egg wash the outside edges of our egg roll wrapper. At that point, we'll fold it over, tuck in the sides, and roll towards the outside corner. That egg wash is going to help that wrapper stick tight, and you end up with a nice tight little packet. Okay? We're going to make up a few of these, and then we'll get them to the fryer. Almost getting as much egg wash on my egg roll wrapper as I am on my cutting board. You want to make sure once you get everything sealed up that any little pockets you have are sealed shut. Sometimes all it takes is a little pinch. We'll make one more, and then we'll get started in the fryer. All right, so now that we've got 3 egg rolls made, we're gonna go to our fryer. Set 3 of these in the basket. We've got our fryer set at about 375. We're gonna drop those down in nice and slow. Get them started. Sometimes you might want to touch them right after you put them in just to make sure they're not sticking to the bottom of your basket. Okay, so we've been in about 3.5, 4 minutes, and we got that golden brown color that we want. Once you get that golden brown color, pull them out, rest them on a cooling rack. Either use a cooling rack or a brown paper sack or a paper towel, just until the oil is drained. Don't just lay them on the paper towel and let them sit there, as you'll be sitting in an oil pile and you'll end up with a soggy egg roll. That'll do it for beef Southwest egg rolls. Plate these with some Southwest Ranch or your favorite dipping sauce, and be sure to make sure you have plenty, because these things will tend to disappear quickly. Thanks for checking in with us today to learn how to make these Southwest egg rolls. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. As always, we'll see you out there cooking real soon. Y'all stay safe and God bless. I'm gonna get into some of these egg rolls. These things look amazing. Katie, you want a bite? Purple is warm.
Still taste the smoke with the steak.